Elcome is the home of Once, offering a true partnership to parts manufacturers and distributors in the automotive aftermarket. We've believed in maintaining data once and using it many times, right from the very start of Elcome in 1999. Back in the day, it was mostly printed books. But over the years, digital and online channels have grown in importance, and the number of outputs has increased rapidly. For product and catalogue data managers, that's created greater demands on time, effort, formats, understanding, and of course, knowledge. We recognise that many companies struggle to maintain multiple catalogue outputs, whilst at the same time suffer from restricted resources. Elcome believe that IT should enable, not constrain, and that proprietary platforms, whilst important, are not the only outputs of core application information that need to be communicated. We invest heavily in our web-based solutions to keep us at the forefront of the marketplace. And via our automotive focus and IT expertise, we give our partners the ability to develop a competitive edge. The Once solution delivers our belief in creating data once and using it many times, giving you the ability to take full control of all your information, as well as delivering exceptional catalogue outputs. We believe that's how you can grow your business and keep your customers happy. As the founders and pioneers of Once within the automotive parts sector, we've constantly pushed this message over the years, and it's humbling to see and hear that our partners are regularly preaching the same message to their own people, and that's in over 50 companies worldwide. The question is, do you believe what we believe?